Don't think of stopping it, okay? So don't think of, One thing, punch like you mean it. Punch like you mean it. Some motion, touch me, hit me, hit me, hit me.
You know how I feel about this seafood.
Hit me, hit me. Can you? I bet you can't. I bet you can't. I'm not blocking it. Hit me. If I block it, he's winning. The energy's going back into me, he's winning. I'm proactively going forward and then moving him. So he would punch, and that would be the hit, and this would be the follow-up. So this is a moving, I have my base that is expressed through my shoulder. My elbow is is pressure. It's the drive, it's the pressure. Remember, he has a hard time having strength against two energies. So he's got one energy that's going back, but I'm not just going straight back because he can beat that. I'm going either up and back or down a little bit and back. I'm creating some kind of spiral, which makes it really hard for him to defeat. It also makes it hard for him to keep his balance. So that's where this hit comes in, and then this hit. In fact, I'll give you options. I'll give you options. So hit, go gum, go lawn, press, go pock, doesn't matter. Actually, probably for me, if I were in the street, I'd go lawn south. I'd be thinking of that elbow that we did on Tuesday. I'd go hit, hit. And so he's feeling pressure from here and here. So just cover the line. Pressure's always forward. Like, I mean, occasionally we guide them this way, but I don't let the pressure come onto me. The pressure's always forward.
So when you were just saying don't pull the
opponent to you.
To you, how does that equate with closing the gap, going in?
If you need to close the gap, you close the gap.
By going forward versus pulling them.
Right.
Okay.
Or you guide, or if they're already coming, you guide them. Right? So I'm guiding you versus what Dre was doing. He's pulling it in. See what happened? I pulled your weight to me. Versus pulling your weight toward me but past. I'm not pulling it into me. I'm not telling you, come on top of me. I'm telling you, come over here where you're closer and I can hit you, where I've closed the gap. So in the case of this one, boom, I didn't pull you into me. I guided you down, I hit you, and then you're going like this.
Yeah, I'm pulling him on my center.
You're pulling him onto you.
Right.
If I'm pulling you onto me, I'm helping you fight me. I'm helping you put pressure on me. A fight, my pressure goes on you. The way home is through you. It is not, well, let me pull you on top of me.